Hi everyone, my name is Leah and I'm a software engineer at yWorks. At yWorks, we are passionate about turning complex data into meaningful visualizations. If you're attending KGC, you likely face a common challenge. You have a powerful knowledge graph, a vast web of information, but when it comes to putting that data in front of your users, you often end up with a data wall or a cluttered static mess. The thing is, a knowledge graph isn't a static object. It's a living network meant to be explored. In the next few minutes, I want to show you how we bridge that gap. I'll demonstrate how you can use our yFiles diagramming SDK to build interactive knowledge graphs that your users will actually enjoy using. But let's get to the real challenge, data quality. In a real-world knowledge graph, data is often messy. Notice these pulsing beacons? I've enabled the Spotlight feature. yFiles instantly highlights inconsistencies like duplicate nodes or isolated entities using WebGL-powered animations. In the Data Problems sidebar, we get a clear list of detected issues. I don't have to search for them, I just click Zoom to Node to jump straight to the problem. And here's the best part. Interaction isn't just for viewing, we can actually fix the data right here in the UI. Watch as I use the Merge Duplicates button to consolidate identical entities into a single clean node. It's not just a visualization, it's a maintenance tool. To dive deeper, I can double-click any node to open the neighborhood view. This isolates the node and its direct neighbors, giving us a focused micro view without losing the global state. We also have powerful triplet filtering. If I want to see specific subject-predicate-object relations, I can filter or fade out the rest of the graph. This allows for multi-layered exploration of even the densest data sets. Finally, look at how we can reorganize the entire graph based on business logic. By toggling Group by Teams, yFiles automatically recalculates the layout to group nodes by their respective teams. This makes it incredibly easy to spot outliers or cross-team connections that were hidden in the general layout before. This is the power of bringing layout intelligence to your knowledge graph. For the developers watching, keep in mind that yFiles is an SDK. Everything you see here is fully customizable and can be integrated directly into your own web applications. It's the foundation you need to build these exact tools for your own users. Knowledge graphs are powerful, but they need a great interface to unlock their true value. At yWorks, we believe yFiles provides that interface. Head over to our website, try the live demo for yourself, and let's talk about how we can bring your knowledge graph to life. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic KGC 2026.